are from IEM Research and Development Private Limited. We have developed our own hand sanitizer system. The uniqueness is most of the systems you are finding in the market is basically wall mounted. Ours is table mounted. So you can see that it can be easily kept on a table. There is no worry to get it fall. We have given this extra length to maintain that rigidity. In the back there is the charging port, and this is the level indicator where you can see the level of the sanitizer, and this is the refilling. You can open it and you can refill the sanitizer from here. Again, how it works, you just need to place your hand and you can see the amount of sanitizer. You can easily just spread in your hand. Again, a very little amount. Again, you can keep your hand and it will not fall again and again. And for the wall mounting, we have given this hooks, and with the help of this clamp, you just need to drill hole and you can keep it on the wall. So these are the features of this hand sanitizer system. Since it's a tabletop system, we had made a metal body so that if it falls on the ground, the body will not get damaged.
Hi, I'm here to present our dispenser, the liquid hand-based sanitizer, and this has been made in our lab here in the IT hub of West Bengal, IEMA Research and Development Private Limited. It has been made by a team of designers and developers and along with students. And here it is a 1 liter capacity of a liquid based sanitizer, and you can see it is a Make in India initiative. It is completely indigenous, and it is defect free, and it has a price that is very competitive out there in the market. Thank you.